Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a blimp. Let's start off by drawing a really wide arch like so, with one side being rounded. Then, mirror this below to finish off the blimp shape. On the pointed side, draw a rectangular bump on the top for a fin. Then, one more on the bottom, and a long thin oval in the middle for the last fin that's pointing towards you. Underneath, draw a wide trapezoid attached to the bottom of the blimp. And add a line of small rectangles along it for some windows. To add some more detail, draw two thin curved lines here and here for the seams. And lastly, decorate your blimp. I'm going to draw a star. You can draw a stripe design, a swirl pattern, or even some big words. And now you've got a blimp.